Hi guys, welcome to Crickburst. This is Varun. I'm your host. I have with me Gagan.
Hello everyone.
So, guys, today we are doing a preview. This is the first time that we are doing a preview. Today we have the 14th match of this year's IPL between Chennai Super Kings and Sunrisers Hyderabad. So, Gagan, what are your thoughts on the match?
I think that match would be a cracker of a match because both teams have lost two out of three. So both would be eager to win the match, and both teams are equally balanced. Both teams are not very strong. Both teams are not very weak. So I think these two look equally balanced on papers. So I think that would be interesting match to watch.
Although मैं एक चीज बोलूंगा दोनों टीम्स एक तरफ बिल्कुल सिमिलर सिचुएशन में है एंड में है बिल्कुल और बिल्कुल डिफरेंट इसलिए हैं क्योंकि चेन्नई अपना पहला मैच जीती थी और उसके बाद दो हारी पर
दो हार
हैदराबाद अपने दोनों मैच हारी और फिर जीती थी सो कॉन्फिडेंस वाइज हैदराबाद एटलीस्ट थोड़े बेटर कॉन्फिडेंस में होगी क्योंकि पिछला मैच जीते हैं कॉम्बिनेशन थोड़ा सेटल हुआ है लेकिन चेन्नई को बहुत अच्छा ब्रेक मिला है आई थिंक चेन्नई इज अ वेरी मेच्योर टीम दिस ब्रेक वुड हैव डन देम अ लॉट ऑफ गुड दे वुड हैव
और एक चीज और भी है कि उनमें वापसी भी हो जाएगी अब ब्रेवो की और
राइडू की
अंबती रायडू.
हाँ
So I think these two will be a big positive for
हाँ
Chennai.
प्लस ऐसे बड़े टूर्नामेंट में आपको बीच में ब्रेक्स मिलती रहे थोड़ा बंदा मेंटली चार्ज रहता है सो आई थिंक दिस इज वेयर चेन्नई वुड आल्सो हैव एन एडवांटेज सो
Yes.
व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन द टीम कॉम्बिनेशन
I think now when Raidu is fit and Dwayne Bravo is fit, so I think Shane Watson should be out instead of Dwayne Bravo, and I think Vijay will be out. Ambati Raidu will play. I will make one more change from the last match. I will not play Hazelwood and will play Ngidi today. So rest team will stay the same
That's a
and
very
three
tough
players.
call, Gagan. He, in his 4 overs, he gave away only 28 runs, and Ngidi gave 56 runs, double of what he gave. So you're
But
still
he
choosing Ngidi
didn't
over
take any
Hazelwood?
wicket. I think 2020 is a game of wickets. The bowlers win you matches. Whenever you get wickets, then only you can win the match. So I think NGD has the capability to ease out some pressure by taking out the wickets. I think NGD is a preferred bid.
Okay, okay, fair enough. So on the other hand, I have made two changes. Again, so one is two are rather same. Where M. Vijay goes out, Raidu comes in, Watson goes out, Bravo comes in. But instead of Ngidi or Hazelwood, I would rather play Tahir because in on these grounds, I think spin is a much safer and a better option. A much, you said wickets is important, so agree. So Tahir is a wicket taker. He gives you wickets, and that
Yes,
is where
I
he's
agree.
very important.
And I think your choice is also correct to some extent and maybe to more extent because already Dwayne Bravo, Sam Karan, Deepak Chahar and Shardul Thakur will provide you the pace.
So
So I think
I have not taken
Tahir,
Shardul Thakur.
uh,
I have not taken Shardul Thakur.
okay, okay. So that would be a good option, Imran Tahir. But still, I will go with pace. I will go with NGD.
Okay, and plus Shardul Thakur gives away a lot of runs. He's also not had a very good time with the Indian team. So I have not, at least when you've lost two matches, I don't think this is a good time to play Shardul Thakur. So my 11 looks something like this: Faf du Plessis, Ambati Raidu. I've still stuck with Gaikwad. At least give him one more match. Then Dhoni. Dhoni comes in at number 4.
Okay.
There is no Dhoni cannot come late, regardless of the situation. Dhoni has to play
Yes.
the maximum number of balls. Then it is pretty straightforward. Kedar Jadhav, Ravindra Jadeja, Sam Curran, Dwayne Bravo. Then either Chawla or Karan Sharma. Since Chawla has gone for a lot of runs, you also have an option of playing Karan Sharma. And then Deepak Chahir and Imran Tahir. So they have batting till 9. Chawla or Karan, they can also bat. So I think this is the strongest team that Chennai can put forward.
Yes, I think that could be an option. But my team goes like Raidu, Faf du Plessis, Kedar Jadhav, MS Dhoni, then Jadeja, Dwayne Bravo, Sam Curran, Piyush Chawla, Deepak Chahar, Shardul Thakur, and then Ngidi.
Okay. Okay, fair enough. Okay. Also looks like a small, strong team, but only difference is Shardul Thakur, which who you've included and I'm not. Perfect. Fair
Yes.
enough. And now, if we talk about Hyderabad, uh, there's some combination problem. Although they won the last match, but the problem that I see is that they've got no option but to play Bairstow, because if you don't play him, then you have to necessarily play Saha as a wicket keeper.
Saha.
But
Yes.
if you
Or
play
Saha
Saha,
or Goswami. Yes.
he's a comparatively very weak link in the batting. So, and you
Right.
also don't have any other domestic batsman to make up for Bairstow. So Bairstow becomes a necessity. But if you play Bairstow, then if you play Williamson also, then you can't play Nabi. Now Williamson is, I think, more important than Bairstow as a batsman at least, because he covers the middle
Yes.
order. So that becomes a problem. But to cover that, if they don't play Nabi, then I think instead of Abhishek Sharma, they should go for Shahbaz Nadeem. He's also a left arm
Ah,
spinner and he's
spin.
more experienced. He's much more experienced.
I think that could be an option for spinning. And these pitches are slow. The spin should be there included in the team. So that could be an option. Shabaz Nadeem is a good option for Hyderabad. So how does your team goes?
So Warner and Bairstow continue to open, followed by Pandey and Williamson. Then I will include Vijay Shankar provided he's fit. Then after Vijay Shankar
Yes.
comes in Samad to provide that late hitting. Then Rashid Khan, Shahbaz Nadeem, Bhuvi, Natarajan, and Khalil.
Okay. Right. My team also almost same. Warner, Bairstow, then Manish Pandey, Williamson. Then comes Abdul Samad for some hitting. Then Vijay Shankar, Abhishek Sharma, Rashid Khan, Bhuvi, Khalil Ahmed, and then T. Natarajan.
Okay, so the
So I
only
have
difference is
included
Nadeem.
Khalil Ahmed.
No, the only difference, I have also included Khalil. I think you've not included Shahbaz Nadeem, and I have included Shahbaz Nadeem in place of Abhishek
Yeah,
Sharma.
I included Abhishek Sharma. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes,
So,
and that could be a changer because I think Shahbaz Nadeem or Abhishek Sharma can play, but Abhishek Sharma can bat also. Maybe Hyderabad prefer him
I think,
over Shahbaz
given
Nadeem.
that they only have five bowlers, I'm not sure whether how much they have trust in Vijay Shankar. I think Shahbaz
Right.
Nadeem, and to be very honest, it's the bowlers who win you these tournaments. So I think Shahbaz Nadeem has much more importance than Abhishek Sharma because he's more experienced. He's played IPL and he has been a very economical bowler. So I think that is important.
Yes, he has played for Delhi and he was very good for Delhi. So I think he can be a good option for Hyderabad. I agree with you. Shahbaz Nadeem can be a good inclusion.
Perfect. So, what's your pick? Which team do you think would win the match today?
I will go with Hyderabad today. I think Hyderabad may be a Warner's day today, so Hyderabad can win it. I will go with Hyderabad. Though I am wearing yellow, but I will not support Chennai today.
Okay, I'm wearing yellow, and I think Chennai is going to win because you don't see Chennai losing three in a row. Yaar. Chennai is too good to lose three in a row. Plus, Dhoni is due for some runs. Bravo comes in. Raidu would be hungry like anything, hungry for runs. So I think it's easily going to be Chennai's day. Also, again, depends on the
Yes,
toss.
see,
Whichever captain
problem.
loses the toss, again will have somewhat of an advantage. Although it's just in a light way that I'm saying that. Although, of course, if
Huh,
you play to your strength, toss is of no importance. But I think Chennai
right.
has a better team and a more balanced
I
team.
think Bravo is coming after a long time, so I think Bravo, whether it would be much impact or not, that is to be seen. Still yet to be seen.
Bravo
So
had played
Bravo
in
के
the
लिए मैं अभी
CPL. Bravo had played in the
I
Caribbean Premier League.
but now he has been in a break. So let's see what does it bring to Chennai Super Kings.
Yeah. Plus, they have two all-rounders in Karan and Bravo, and both of them can hit the ball. So
Yes.
that's where I think their lower order has much more of an advantage than Sunrisers Hyderabad.
Ah, that I agree. That I agree.
So, any predictions for your Dream 11 players? Which players would you want to include? You want to take up Chennai?
I think must have in your team. I think I will suggest 8 names to be must have in your team. First one is Raidu, Faf to Plessy, then Warner, Williamson, then I think you must have Dwayne Bravo. If he performs, then he's an all-round performer, so I will take him. Then Sam Curran, I think Rashid Khan is one good option for bowling. So I think these should be must-have in your team.
Yes, and for captain and vice captain, I think you can choose any one of Warner, Williamson, Faf, and Raidu. Raidu has been in exceptional form before he was out, so he's a performer. And
Right.
I think
But
Dhoni,
my
although
captain,
I think Dhoni is due for some big runs, huh? Dhoni, I'm counting on him to play really nice innings today.
my captain in Dream IPL stays Warner, and vice captain, I think I will be going with Faf du Plessis.
Yeah, Faf du Plessis has also been firing, although law of averages suggest, it might catch up with him, might not perform today. But yeah, he has been too consistent. So
Prime form.
yeah, so
Yes.
it's a safe choice unless again the law of averages has something else in mind. So
Hmm.
let's see. It's finally CSK versus Hyderabad. I'll go for CSK. You're
And
supporting
I'm going for Hyderabad.
SRH, yeah.
Yes.
So we'll meet again
So
tonight
let's.
and we'll have
Yes.
the complete match analysis. So thank you guys. That's the preview from our side. Again, if you want us to do a video on a particular player, a particular a team, please drop in your comments. Please let us know, and we'll be more than happy to do that. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.
Okay, guys. Bye bye.